Hi everyone, I'm Snehal and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, actually, people who are in their self-development journey or who is, running a lot to grow in their life and to become something, people a lot of time thinks जो self development करना चाहते हैं, but they think that you need to be really strict with your routine, you have to be disciplined, which is true. In order to achieve anything in your life, you have to be disciplined, you have to be strict with your routine. But at the same time, you have to understand that self development doesn't mean that you have to achieve anything in your life with the sacrifice of your joy, right? So, whenever you feel that something is overwhelming for me and it's pressurizing you a lot, so it's better to take a break. So, in this video, I'm gonna talk about how are the ways through which you can change your routine and you can make yourself feel better as well. And yeah, I have tried to cover all the people, like different kind of people, but I'm not sure if I have missed out anyone. You can definitely let me know in the comment section, so next time I'll try to cover them as well. Okay, so let's just get started. Okay, so first thing first, change your daily routine. What does that mean? That when we do the same thing every single day, like suppose if you're someone who is waking up and just running for your work, you are cooking, or if you're someone who loves to read newspaper, loves to know everything about what is happening around the world, just change your routine a little bit. Like, for example, what you can do, wake up early, do whatever you do, and then go to a coffee shop, grab a cup of coffee. Or if you are working remotely, then you can sit in in that cafe if it's possible for you, and just work there for some time. What will happen that it will change your routine a little bit, and you would not feel that I'm following the same thing every single day and there is no improvement. Because a lot of time what happens that even if there is improvement happening in your life, just because your routine is similar to your earlier routine, you will feel that your life is still going the same way, even though if you are having improvement in your life. So sometimes if you feel that it's overwhelming for you, just change your activity. Okay, just go and grab a cup of coffee, uh, wait there, meet your new friends, right, or your old friends, talk with them. It will make you feel better and it will change your mood as well. Okay, point number 2, if you are someone who always used to read newspaper in the morning or read newses or want to know every single thing, it's completely up to you. But for me, I believe that you have the whole day to get to know like what is happening around the world, right? And the thing is that not all the news are good, not all the news are happy. A lot of news are triggering. It affects us, it irritates us, that why this is happening in our country and whatever. So in the morning, where you always wake up in the morning and you grab your newspaper and start reading, instead of that, just do one thing, is you can listen to a podcast. Okay, nowadays people listen to podcast a lot, like I also listen a lot of podcast. So you can listen to podcast, you can watch something that is hilarious, or some comedy content or something, so that it will lighten up your mood as well, and at the same time your daily routine will also change and it too will affect you as well. Okay, now point number 3, if you are also someone like me who loves self development book and who is reading a lot of self development books, sometimes it becomes really overwhelming. like every single day reading self-development books. Obviously it makes us feel better, but sometimes it feels like we are having a lot of burden on ourselves, and there are a lot of people who are already successful in their life and I'm just starting my career. So where I am, like, you start to question yourself and you start to feel that I have to do a lot of things, you know, to achieve this. So what I do, like earlier what I would do, that I will just buy self development books, but now what I do, that every single month, like mostly every month, I buy 3 books. So 2 books, if I'm buying like 2 self development books, then I'll buy one fictional books, so that it will change my mood as well and it makes me feel happy. Or and also at the same time I'm not feeling overburdened and exhausted with this fact that, oh, I have to do a lot of things and I am literally behind in my life. So it really helps me in that sense as well, right? Point number 4, it's okay to be lazy sometime. Okay. uh, it's really important that people need to understand that self development doesn't mean that you have to over push yourself. Okay, you have to just push yourself in that extent that it is possible for you. Okay, like slowly, I mean to say that one step at a time, नॉट लाइक टू मच कि एक ही बार, बिकॉज सी, जब आपको छत पे चढ़ना होता है या कोई दूसरे फ्लोर पे जाना है, ठीक है, एंड सपोज देर इज नो लिफ्ट अवेलेबल, ठीक है, सो वॉट यू गना डू, यू गना टेक स्टेयर्स, राइट, एक एक स्टेप चढ़ चढ़ के ही आप वहाँ पहुँचोगे, राइट, दैट इज द ओनली वे दैट यू कैन डू. सो जंप करना ज़रूरी नहीं है. सो समटाइम्स इफ यू फील दैट, oh, I'm literally overburdened right now and I'm tired and I'm exhausted, then you can take rest. Okay. Suppose mostly when I'm on my periods, so for 2 days I take rest, I take complete rest, and whatever my body wants at that time, like suppose if I want to eat anything, I would not restrict myself that, oh, I should not eat. Like, you can work out at that time, but I choose not to, just for 2 days, so that I can give my body a complete rest that it needs. And more importantly, whatever my body at that time, whatever my body wants, I want to give that to it, because already at that time we are going through a lot of hormonal changes, right? So we are already like very irritated, grumpier and everything, and a lot of people don't understand, but women understand that at that time what our mood swings are. So whatever my body wants at that time, I try to do that. Okay. Point number 5, self love. Okay, I don't know this happens with everyone or not, but it happens with me. It's connected with the previous point. So basically, as I'm working out every single day, like 5 to 6 days in a week, you know, I mentioned this earlier as well, that it was like initially it was not in my goal, but later on it became my goal to like, first my goal was to work on my mental health, so that's why I work out every single day. But later on I saw that I am losing weight as well, so I was feeling that, okay, I will keep this as well in my goal. So I worked out, I have worked out a lot to lose weight where I am right now. So what happens, that even if I am not feeling well, even if I'm sick, I will not take rest and I will feel guilty about it. That why I'm not working out, what if I'll gain weight, what if all the efforts that I have put in to lose weight, what if कि वो सारी चीज़ें बर्बाद अगर हो गई तो तब मैं क्या करूँगी. But you have to understand that one day not working out will not change anything. Okay, and you have to understand that self love doesn't mean to be harsh to your body. Self love means to understand your body, to understand that your body needs rest at that time. Okay, to understand that whenever you feel that you are exhausted or you are sick, you have to take rest. I know few people who, even if they are feeling not feeling good, they have fever, they are having cough and cold, still they will go to work out. So I just wanted to let you know that whenever you feel that your body needs rest, you have to give your body rest at that time, because that is also self love. Self love doesn't mean कि आप हमेशा अपनी बॉडी पे प्रेशर डालते रहो और उससे गिल्ट फील कराते रहो और उसको ये फील कराते रहो दैट यू आर नॉट वर्दी, बिकॉज अगर आप बार बार उसे पुश कर रहे हो, इट मीन्स दैट यू आर नॉट हैप्पी विद द बॉडी दैट यू हैव. But you have to understand that you have to love the body of yours the way it is. Understand your body, what your body wants right now. If your body wants rest, then give rest to that body. अभी कुछ टाइम से आई एम नॉट फीलिंग वेल. I'm having a really bad headaches. A lot of thing is happening, but still I'm like pushing myself कि नहीं मुझे करना है, वर्कआउट करना है. But I have to understand that right now I have to give rest to my body. ठीक है. मैं ट्राई कर रही हूँ that to change this perspective of mine and to change this habit of mine. I'm slowly taking that step, but yeah, that is what I will tell you as well, to not push your body to that extent. And self love is also taking care of yourself, taking care of your body, understanding your body, that your body needs love, care, and rest at the same time. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I know that it's very super compact and very small video, because like a lot of people are saying the बहुत लंबी लंबी वीडियोस होती है, बहुत लंबी लंबी वीडियोस होती है, थोड़ी छोटी वीडियो बनाओ, थोड़ी छोटी वीडियो बनाओ. सो आई थॉट कि ठीक है, इस चीज़ के बारे में मैं यहाँ पे बोलती हूँ, बिकॉज इट्स रियली इम्पॉर्टेंट, बिकॉज ये टॉपिक भी इतना कुछ ज़्यादा बड़ा नहीं था. सो आई डिडंट वांटेड टू स्ट्रेच एट ऑल. The other thing is that you need to understand that self-development doesn't mean to overburden yourself and to exhaust yourself in the process of achieving something. The most important thing in self-development is to live every moment in your life and to feel joy in every single day, in every single minute, whatever you do. So if you feel anywhere that the joy is missing out from your life, it's a sign that you have to take a rest and you have to take break in your life. Okay, so yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you're gonna like it. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Instagram. You already know, सारी details आ चुकी होंगी अभी तक. So yeah, I'll meet you in my next video. Bye.